You can get it. What is it?
It's in the car.
Oh, wow.
And this one goes in a mini car. Whoa! It's my surprise. Whoa! What's there in there?
What is in there?
It's messy.
Yeah, it's a bouncy thing. That's pretty cool.
Whoa, purse.
And a purse. Oh my gosh.
Get out.
What is it?
It's a purse.
Yeah, what's in that purse?
Stop.
Something soft? Let's
It's
see.
a purse.
Look, it's got a princess crown on the front of it. And the animal's got a princess crown. What kind of animal is it?
A dog.
A dog or a kitty?
A dog.
Okay, if you say so.
Get this off. This one.
Mm-hmm.
Get that one.
Can you get it out? Here, hold it.
Well, it's soft.
Mm-hmm.
And
Can you say thank you, Grandma?
thank you, Grandma.
And say love you?
Love you.
Or kiss. Mwah.
Mm.